I welcome you all guys to my new blog. So we are going to visit Duduma waterfall. This is nearly 24 km away from Lomtaput. After riding of 2 hours, we just reached Duduma waterfall, and you can see the waterfall is dried because of summer season. So enjoy the beauty guys. And during returning time, we just decide to visit the old bridge which is situated near the Duduma waterfall, as you can see right now. This bridge is working as a connector between Odisha and Andhra Pradesh.